how to fix kicks due to unexpected client behavior on Roblox. First things first is go to your Windows search, then type in CMD, right click on command prompt, run as an administrator, and click on yes. From here, all I have to do is type in ipconfig space forward slash flush DNS, enter. The next thing is net sh space winsock space reset. Click enter. Now once everything is set, it's saying here that you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. So before you do that, let's proceed first on the second troubleshooting step. Second thing is go back to your Windows search, then type in run, click enter. Now from here, just type in temp, T-E-M-P, okay. And then you'll just have to delete all these folders right here. And then if you have like specific or any error message that occur, just go ahead and click on a tick box. Just go ahead and delete all these folders once again. Close it, go back to your Windows search, type in run again. Now from here, all you have to do is type percent temp percent okay. Now do the same thing, delete all the folders that has in here, and then close everything. Now once you have executed all the troubleshooting steps, you just have to restart your PC and try to relaunch your game again. So that's how you fix kick due to unexpected client behavior on Roblox.